Hello, I am Christina Daon Evangelio from Davao City, Philippines. I'm 44 years old and I previously worked as a campus minister in the Ateneo de Davao University Junior High School for 14 years. I wasn't able to practice my bachelor's degree of secondary education major in English. That's the reason for my desire to be a tutor so I can once again hone my skills in the language. I would like to look at the holistic dynamics of teaching and learner-centered approach since they are the priorities of the transmission of learning. Currently, I am pursuing a new degree of library science and information system. Books are my passion, and wouldn't it be nice to manage books?